Well, there's nobody out on these streets right now. It is 9:36 on a Sunday, and we are headed to the shop to go pick up my partner and go put in a 90% gas furnace. I'm surprised, because it's been like 2 Sundays that I have not done nothing. Y'all seen last Sunday I was at the park with the family, giving out a video that you should definitely go check out. So if you're new to the channel, I am the HVAC R4M. On this channel, we talk about HVAC related everything, whether it's install, service, conversation, tools, just tips, whatever it may have you. Definitely pay attention to the end. Let's go. All right, check it out. So we done picked up Marcus from the shop. We're about to head to the projects real quick and install this 90% furniture.
Let me stop. Let me stop.
He's stupid. But, no matter where it's at, we're going to still do it. Now that's what we can. But I'm about to call this client right now. Let's call this client, make sure his client's home. If he ain't home, it means we got to turn around. I got to scoot up a little bit. That's why his light ain't changing.
Probably. So there's a scissors in the ground, ain't it?
This is how professional sounds. Hello, good morning. This is Melvin with Brian Heating and Cooling. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm awesome. Thank you for asking. So I'm just giving you a heads up. I'm coming from Louisville, so we're probably about like 20, 30 minutes away from you for your install this morning. Want to make sure you was ready for us.
Awesome. Yep, we'll be here and we're ready.
Okay. I'll see you here shortly. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. So you always hit them with the bye-bye. Depending on how they answer the phone, if they sound like a doctor, you know, you might hit them with a little something different. Like a yep. Yes. Okay, cool. Great. Awesome. Yes. Hit them with all of them. Cool.
All right.
Great. Awesome. All righty. Yep. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye. You hit them with the bye 3 times. All right, bye. Bye-bye.
All right.
Bye. Bye-bye. 3 times. You know that's how you hit them.
Few moments later.
Okay, so we done made it here. Now let me show you what we got. Goodman, 90%. Got us a condo pump on the side. A small 1-inch filter rack on there, so that ain't gonna be tough. It's a big old coil sitting on top of that furnace though. We'll definitely get some drives and try to keep that from falling down. Pretty open space down here in the basement, ain't too bad. These steps, probably be the toughest part is getting down these steps. I don't think it's gonna happen. Probably have to go through this cellar. Those steps are torn up too, but I think it'll be the best way to get the furnace down here. But like I said, it ain't too bad of an install. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Putting in this furnace, help my partner out. Come across anything crazy, I'll probably get back with you and film it. But like I said, just a little short video today. Yes, sir. So we got the blower out, got that filter rack disconnected. Now we're gonna make it easy because we're gonna kick these bricks. Hopefully it falls right down. The coil should be fine, because as you can see, I braced it up there best I could. So cool should be fine.
Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they roof, Chris. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she giving throat. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, it go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Smoking the Zaza, it go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat.
90% furnace, good on this one. Gas is coming out left side, drain's coming out left side. gas is already good. We ain't gotta do nothing. Run this pipe on here, coming out that side. So, installing the 90% furnace. The 90% gas furnace comes with a bag of treats. You probably didn't even realize it, did you? But look, goodies. All of this stuff, most of this stuff is gonna have to be placed on this furnace. And there's really a lot of it just cosmetic-wise. But anyway, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the rubber grommet for the condensate drain. So you're gonna have to grab your rubber piece and then bust open your other bag and grab your little clip. And I'm gonna show you where we're gonna put this at. So right there. You're gonna put him on there about like so. Bring it up to the knot. Like that so. That's gonna go on there like that so. Next we're gonna get this piece. This comes in the very bottom of the furnace most of the time. That's gonna slide in there and it's gonna sit just like that. Got that on there. Our plastic piece is running all the way there. And then there is the other plastic piece coming out. So now our drain will drain all the way through to this side. Okay, so the next item in the bag of goodies is gonna get put on is gonna be the electrical. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this electrical put on, and we're gonna put ours right in this area. Okay. So let me get you a little closer so you can see what's really going on. A lot of people never remember to put the rubber grommet on there, the seal for the you know, what is it? The gas. But no, you want to have this cabinet airtight. So next in the box of goodies, we're gonna pull these out. I don't even know exactly why they want to put these little pads on here. I don't know, but whatever. But we're gonna put these on here for our fresh air and our exhaust. So you got two of these in the bag. If you pay attention of them though, one has a lip on it, okay? One has a lip that stops it from going through the 2-inch, and the other one, the 2-inch, can go all the way through. Obviously, for our exhaust, we want this one to go all the way through. Voila. Alright, he's ready. See, we already got the transition on top. Look like they might go right back in there. Bing, 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 bing. Let's see. Yeah, let's go.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat.
So I'm gonna check out this coil before we get this furnace fully placed. You checking out the coil. What I wanna do is put your whole head up in there. Where my mask at though?
Mask good.
Gotta have your mask, cause you don't want skin flakes falling all in your nostrils. I'm gonna keep doing it. Good. Cause if you gotta restrict the evaporator coil, you know, you wanna have that clean before you put this furnace in. Okay, so we got to go when it comes to cleaning out the coil. Definitely needed it. So, like I said, you gotta have the conversation because you don't know. You can't just come right out to someone's home, install, and just not even, that's it. No, you have to be considerate of the home, of the people, you know? Do your job. We're professionals. We know this stuff. And then on top of that, not only is it a bonus because it's extra cash in your own pocket. I mean, be smart, guys. Use your head. Okay, listen to what I tell you. This is the HVACR 4L, so check it out, you hear me? Pay attention. So you can see what the coil looks like. We're gonna use the tooth comb. slide because it's right here on the lips. We gotta keep it flush with that so we can slide back when we get ready to get the other bricks on. You feel me? I'm gonna lift up. Alright, waiting on start up now. It's just about done. Thermostat's installed. Flue pipe done. Drain and everything hooked back up. Let me put a cap right here.
Like that! I'll run from you right now how good you look.
So we came to the park. We was about to hoop, but we ain't got no ball. We was definitely about to get out and go hoop. I know that. On my life. I was gonna take him over and lace him real quick. Lace him right up. What you gonna do, bro?
I'm ambidextrous, first of all. I'm left and right hand.
That's all he got. You see, you gonna start with the line. You can't even be.
I shoot
you
my
can't
left
even
hand,
be.
but I dribble.
You can't be in the
Right
video if
hand.
you gonna start off with an instant line. All right,
Yeah,
we're gonna do another take. Now, what was you gonna do though, cuz?
Left, right, left, right. That's it. That's all I got.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish my sandwich, man. And you know what's another good thing about this job though? Like it ain't too many jobs where you can just do stuff like this. Ain't too many. I'll never go back to working with a supervisor standing over my shoulder. Never go back to that. I'd rather live like this. Come to the park, lay out. It's a good day outside too. Eat my lunch, chill, and wait and see if another job comes in. Another job don't come in within the next hour, go on home. If it do, go on and temp it in and get it, hurry up and get that one done and get up out of it. We done for the day. We're just gonna go ahead and eat our lunch. Might as well. They take it out of your paycheck. Eat all mine. Not too many jobs where you're gonna have the freedom to just, you know, take a break, go to the park, go get your lunch, take your lunch when you want to take it. One of the biggest perks of the field is that you don't have someone standing over your shoulder telling you do this or do that and do that. You're your own boss when you out here, you hear me? Take your lunch when you want to, stop at the park, get ready, kill homie and some ball if I wanted to. I mean, it's a lot of freedom. I mean, you're on your own. They give you a van, you buy your own tools, and they give you the address and you go work. You can do that, you can handle the field. Already back home with the family. I even, you know, got my dog. Come here, Lo. Come say hi. Come say hi, Lo. Y'all see Lo? Let's see. This is Lolo right here. Say hi, Lolo. Right here, Lolo. Look. Right here, Lolo. Look. Say hi, guys. Say hi, Lolo. This is Lolo right here. But anyway, it's the end of the whole day of work. Let's see. Why do I like this job? Let's think about it. Well, let's see. I woke up at 8:30 this morning. I went to work for what, 3 hours, installed a furnace, made a client happy, made extra money while I was there by cleaning the coil, and now I'm back home. And it's only been, and it's what? I don't know what time it is, but when I got off work, it was only what, 3:30? It was 3:30 after I dropped off my partner at the shop, which is in Louisville, and I live in Indiana, so that's another 30-minute drive right there. But I said I'll get home by 4 o'clock today. That's what I told baby on the phone. Said, baby, don't worry, I'll be home by 4 o'clock today, so you can still run out and do your errands. Don't even worry about it. Went to the basketball park, we ate lunch, did all that, because it was 30 minutes. They take 30 minutes out of my lunch anyway. Why am I not gonna get it? I gets it. And on top of that, I'm getting paid $20+ an hour. I'll tell you the honest truth, I get paid $22 an hour right now. I haven't been here 3 months, but my raise is coming up the end of this month or next month. So trust me, I'll get that 27 that I'm worth. But that's my day. Why would I not like that? Literally, I wake up, okay, I do got a call. Let's go load up the equipment, let's get to this job, let's go knock it out. And then I'm back home, sitting in my crib, about to drink me a cold one, smoke me a Black and Mild, and enjoy the rest of my night. Like I said, guys, this trade may be for you, but it is for me. And I decided that, okay? And the best thing about it, on top of all of that, my whole entire day, I don't have a supervisor in my ear or someone bothering me or, you know, standing over me or making sure I get done by this time or doing this and doing that. None of that is going on because you are really your own supervisor. You are your own boss. To an extent, I'll be honest, you're still working for the man if you're gonna look at it that way, but the man giving you a little bit of a rope, just enough to hang yourself, I guess. If you're a professional and you know your job, you know how to install, or whatever the job is you're going to go do that, and you don't have to worry about nothing. It don't matter what company it is, I represent me at the end of the day. I don't care whose name it is on my hat I got, or on my mask, or on my truck. I don't care whose truck I'm driving. I represent me. I do this for me. I do this. I don't care about the company. I represent the company good because I represent myself good. So they benefit
That's my
from it,
pleasure.
okay? But I do this for my pleasure. Like he said, that's my pleasure. If you guys do want to see more content, okay, if you have any suggestions for content, please let me know. We definitely still got the scrap thing coming up. I was thinking about maybe also scrapping the furnaces. I just don't know where I keep all that metal because I don't even know how to break down a furnace. So I just have to have furnaces stacked up, and they're too heavy to deal with. And I just don't know if I want to deal with all that. But if you guys got any suggestions, somebody can tell me how you scrap the furnace, then I mean, you know, it might be something that I may do. Because I do have a little shed outside that I can stack stuff up in. But definitely, we're going to do that vlog this summer. We're going to start collecting scraps. As soon as the AC season comes in, bang, 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 we're going to stack them up. We're going to see how much money we get. You hear me? If you like this video, okay, go back, check out the other videos, okay? If I learn how to do it, I may put them things up on the description, but I don't even know if I do that yet. As you know, I edit all my videos. I do everything all myself. This is just something that I love to do. It's fun, and it's a new hobby that I'm just trying to pick up. But guys, that's it. Peace.